Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Alley in the Valley. I'm all dressed up because it is Mother's Day and it is time to celebrate all the beautiful women I know, my mother, my daughter, my friends. We work so hard as women and we have to spoil ourselves sometimes. If we don't do it, who will do it for us? Celebrating in Mother's Day, I'm going to have my daughter come help me do a really quick, easy egg bacon toast cups that we put in our muffin pans that are so cute, so when everybody comes over they can just pick up their own individual yummy bacon egg toast cup. I'm gonna just make some light mimosas, nothing too hard because I'm not trying to get slammed right now, but I would like to celebrate with a nice champagne or Prosecco. Let me see if I can get this open. Bam, I'm pretty good at opening champagne, all the years of practice. So anyway, I hope all the women out there are doing something for them. Either go to a spa, go on vacation, go to the movies, go to dinner. This is tangerine. You can use anything with a mimosa. Today I've decided to use some tangerine. I have pineapple juice, orange juice, whatever you like. My bacon egg toast cups, first thing I need to do is cook my bacon. You don't want to overcook your bacon, you just want to slightly cook it because it's going to go in the oven with the rest of the ingredients. But I bought my uncured applewood bacon. You can get any kind of bacon that's your favorite. We're going to cook this right quick. Aaliyah, while I cook the bacon, what I would like you to do is, at your best ability, get the ends away from the bread, okay? And then once you do that, you gotta spray, just do that, and then I'll show you. We're gonna spray this before we put in there. Just get all the ends off like that, because these are gonna be our cups. Can you do that for me? Cool. Okay. I'll get the bacon going. And it's great to teach the youth how to cook. Everybody needs to know how to cook. I gotta get Tyler in here too. I don't know, where's Tyler? Upstairs. I've already cooked the bacon, and you just want to cook the bacon halfway cooked, not completely cooked, because it's all going in the oven. What else I did is I sprayed the pan with olive oil or butter so your bread doesn't stick, you know what I mean, and it's hard to clean and stuff like that. So Leah, this is what we're gonna do. What I need you to do is just nicely, easily press the bread in, because you don't want to tear it because it's our cup. And we don't want the egg when we put the egg through. So you put all the bread in there. Bacon doesn't have to be perfectly put in there. You could also always put cheese on top too. So I won't put the cheese till after it's cooked if you want cheese on it, because cheese cooks really fast and you don't want it to burn. You take an egg and you crack an egg to go inside. Okay, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven, 350. And if it goes over, it's okay. It's not a big deal. Nothing I do is perfect. It's just about yummy and looking good. Presentation and looking good and tasting fabulous. That's what we do at Alley in the Valley. You can do, I'm doing a few just to show you how to do it. I don't know if you can get a good look at this, but we are gonna put these in the oven for 350. It's gonna be like 15 minutes. Put a little salt on top.
Look at that. That looks amazing. Thanks, Aaliyah.
Thank you. Yeah, Gigi's coming over for Mother's Day, so I'm trying to make something cute. And actually, you guys can make this for me too next time, okay? Also on Mother's Day, you always have to have something yummy and sweet because we deserve it. I just go get the Pillsbury dough or whatever kind you find, croissants, roll-ups, and they've already cut them up, right? We are just gonna spread Nutella in them and then bake them with Nutella. How easy and how good is that? Hey, Aaliyah, first thing first, spray the pan, cooking sheet. No, sorry. So we can, they don't stick. Okay. There we go. And then you just break them apart. Super easy. Actually, need a knife, but break them apart. And roll it. Look.
That's one.
That's one. Boom, 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 boom. With Nutella inside. So let's break them up first because it's easier. So you do that one. Let's switch. You switch. I finished a really cute, easy, my kids helped me, my beautiful kids, Tyler who's 15, Aaliyah who's 12. Wait, let me finish, okay? Before you interrupt me, I know you're ready for camera. Really cute bacon, egg, toast cups. You guys get to try it with croissants and Nutella inside and a beautiful strawberry on top for my Mother's Day. Here, try it. No, try it. Take a bite, honey. All right, I'm gonna try this.
Is it hot?
That is so good. It's like a bacon egg sandwich and a cupcake. So cute, so good. To all the beautiful women out there, happy Mother's Day. I'm blessed to have these two monsters as my
And
kids.
also these eggs are creation from Mother's Day.
Yep. So thank you. All recipes, you know where you can find them. www.alleyinthevalley.com. Cooking with my kids on Mother's Day. Next Mother's Day, they'll be cooking for me.
Yep.
Cheers.